Students, welcome back to your computer class. Today's our lesson is editing and formatting in WordPad. Copying text. To copy text, first select the text to be copied. Second, click on copy icon in the toolbar. Third, take mouse pointer to the place where the text is to be placed and click. Fourth, click on paste icon in the toolbar. The text will also appear at the new place. Formatting text. To format a document means to change its look. A document can be formatted to look more eye-catching. First picture is unformatted text, while in the second picture you can see the changes it is formatted text. In the formatted document, the text is bold and in red color. Its size is bigger. The last line is in a different font. It is red in color. Some words are in capitals. Commands for formatting a document are found in the Format menu. Format menu options. The dialog box shown here opens when we choose the font option. In the Format menu, we have to select the font size, style and color from here. The format bar has many buttons. This can also be used to format a document. Tip: it is easier to use the format bar to format a document. In this picture you can see font size, font type, bold, italic, underline, color, left, center, right, bullets. Font. We choose a font for the document. A font is a set of characters that comes in a particular style and size. Sizes of are given in points. A 10-point font size is smaller than 20-point font size. Here are some common fonts people like to use. Arial, Bookman, Comic Sans, MS, Times New Roman. First column is a font size of 10 points. Second column is a font size of 12 points. Third column is a font size of 20 points. Some fonts are rather interesting but not very useful in regular work. Here are two examples of such fonts. Coronet font, Ouch font. Changing font style. A font is found in three common styles. First, Roman or upright, as in starting with computers. Second, italic, as in starting with computers. Third, bold, as in starting with computers. We use the buttons on the format bar to change the font style. For this, we select the text and click the appropriate button. Click on bold button for bold text. Click on italic button for italic text. Click on underline button for underline text. We can also underline a word, sentence or paragraph. We do this by selecting the underline button on the format bar. The underlined text will appear like this. Changing font size. To change the font size of text, first select the text for which the font size is to be changed. Second, click on the drop-down list button on the format bar that is shaped like an arrow. Third, choose a font size from the list that appears. The font size of the selected text will change. Changing font. To change the font of text, first select the text for which the font is to be changed. Second, click on the drop-down list button that is shaped like an arrow. Third, choose a new font from the list that appears. The list is in alphabetical order. The font of the selected text will change. Thank you, students.